Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. How are you all doing today? I'm doing really good. I'm posting a lot of diabetic recipes, but yes, we need a cheat day. So I prepared some mutton samosas. So mutton samosas turned out so good. I used the keema filling that can be used in various other dishes. So I've already posted this recipe, but I'm going to be repeating the keema recipe again. You can prepare this keema ahead of time and you can prepare other dishes using the same filling. Here I've heated oil in a wok. Once the oil has reached temperature, I've added finely chopped onions and I'm going to fry the onions till it is going to be transparent. Now in the onions, I'm going to be adding finely chopped garlic, ginger, coriander and mint. We need to fry all of this till the raw flavor has completely eliminated. I've added ginger and garlic chopped and in the paste format because it enhances the flavor and taste. So once the onion has fried till it's transparent, I'm going to be adding finely chopped chilies and I'll also be adding ginger and garlic paste. If you have seen my basics of Indian cooking recipe, I'll post the link in the description. We use peppercorns and fennel seeds in our ginger and garlic paste. It enhances the flavor and taste of every recipe. Now once the onion has fried and the oil starts to separate, that is when I will be adding turmeric powder, chili powder and coriander powder. We need to fry all these three masalas till the raw flavor has reduced. What do I mean till the raw flavor has reduced? The masalas should bloom in the oil. It will release its own aromas. It will be very nice and toasty. That is when the flavors enhances in your dish and it will be very nice and tasty. Now I'll be adding my mutton keema. You can prepare many dishes using this mutton keema. It does not have to be just this one dish. You prepare this one filling and you can make many dishes using the mutton keema. Once the mutton keema is added in the masala, I'm just frying it. I'm just going to break it up into small pieces and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. You can see how nice and grainy the mutton keema is fried. At this point, I'll be adding salt. We need to add water and we will cook our mutton keema. Many people prefer to cook the mutton keema in a pressure cooker. That depends on the quality of the meat. If you want to cook it in the pressure cooker, please feel free to cook in the pressure cooker and cook your keema till it's nice and mushy. That's up to you because many people have their own ways of cooking mutton. So that's totally up to you. You can place it in the cooker and place the whistle for 2 whistles, cook your mutton keema. For me, it just took 20 to 25 minutes to cook on the stove on a very low to medium flame. So you can see the mutton keema is cooked at this point, but the moisture is still there. At this point, I'll be adding my garam masala and pepper powder. We'll just give it a stir. I placed it on slightly higher flame. I placed the lid and I cooked the keema. Now I place the lid and allow the keema to cook till it's well done and the moisture to completely evaporate. So you can open it and leave it open and cook it, or you can cover it and cook it however you feel, but the moisture should completely evaporate. So place it on high flame and just keep stirring it. It will fry. So once the mutton keema has fried well, I'm just going to store it in the fridge. So I've removed it from the flame, allowed it to completely cool down and I stored it in the fridge. So once this is completely cooled down, that is when we need to prepare the other recipes. So like it can be your mutton samosas, it can be other dishes using this filling. It has to cool down. So this was resting for almost 2 days in the fridge. I've removed it from the fridge, Now I've removed it from the fridge, added finely chopped onion, chilies, coriander and mint just to give it a good flavor and taste. And I've also added cooked peas. So the peas are cooked well and it's cooked with some salt. So I drained the peas and I've added the peas, fresh peas these are. So I'm just going to give it a good mix. Once this is mixed, my filling is ready. I've used ready-made samosa sheets, which is easily available in the market. Do try that, because you can prepare your samosa sheets at home. Please feel free, if you know how to prepare it, please feel free to prepare samosa using the samosa dough. But here I prefer to use the sheets, the ready-made ones, because it's nice and crispier. You can use a double sheet or you can use a single sheet, that's up to you. I'm just going to stuff the mutton keema, forming a triangle with the sheet, and I'm going to start folding it and prepare a samosa. So this is very simple recipe. Just mix some corn flour or some maida with some water and reserve it. You can apply the corn flour or maida to one end of the samosa and prepare samosas. Here I'm preparing a bunch of these samosas. I've also placed a wok on medium flame at the same time with some oil. So once the oil has reached temperature, that should be on low flame. So you're going to deep fry your samosas. Place it on low flame. If you place it on high flame, your samosas are going to burn. So once you finish folding your samosas, prepare at least 10 samosas so that you can prepare 2 batches. And these are going to fly like hotcakes in your house, because everybody will enjoy this. So it is very tasty. Prepare a bunch of these. Prepare some hot chai and you're good. So we prepare these samosas for breakfast itself. That is how we prefer eating, and we like it with some chai, and I prepare it for breakfast. So now these samosas are folded. The oil has also reached temperature, and once the oil has reached temperature, I'm just going to gently drop few samosas in the hot oil and start frying it on low flame. So all the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, is listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video, which will direct you to my blog. In the blog, I posted a detailed recipe. You can also visit me on my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter for regular updates. The links to my social media handles will be in the description box below this video. Once I've dropped the samosas in hot oil, I'm gently going to turn it every minute and fry it on low flame for 5 minutes maximum. That's about it, till the outer skin turns light golden brown in color. So once it turns light golden brown in color, I'll drain it from the hot oil and reserve it on a paper napkin and serve it up. That's how simple it is. Very nice and tasty. Everybody should try it. I've already posted mutton samosa recipe, and everybody in my house enjoys it. So I'm using just one single keema recipe, and I'm preparing many dishes using it. So that is one goal of mine, to show people you can prepare different recipes using just the one base product. And I've also started posting diabetic friendly recipes. So do visit the playlist and try all the recipes and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. Once the samosas are fried, I drained it from the oil, reserved it on a kitchen napkin and served it hot with some chutney. We thoroughly enjoyed it. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.